जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 8th chapter अक्षर परब्रह्म योगमु 13th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, Om is one letter and Om talks about Paramatma, talks about Parabrahma. I am Paramatma, I am Parabrahma. That means Om talks about me, Om teaches about me, Om calls me. Now, those who wants to attain Atma Sakshatkaram at the time of their death, they have to say Om and they have to meditate upon me. If they do like this, they will follow the path which is known as Archiradi and they will attain Atma Sakshatkaram, which is in Swarupam equivalent to me. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma teaching the process of Upasana for those who wants to attain Atma Sakshatkaram. Having Sri Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Om iti ekaksharam Brahma Vyaharan Mam Anusmaran Yah Prayati Tyajan Deham Sayati Paramam Gatim. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma praying Srimannarayana, saying that, O Srimannarayana, those who does not surrender to you, they will be always in distress and they will be always in restless because there will be so many desires chasing them. And those who does not surrender to you, they will not have good sleep also. O Srimannarayana, those who does not have devotion towards you, how much ever they are famous and they are great, eventually they will be falling into the ocean of troubles and grief. O Srimannarayana, those who have devotion and love towards you, those who are worshipping you, you are the one who shows them your clear darshanam. You are the one who gives them clear darshanam. O Srimannarayana, Rishayopi Deva Yushmat Prasanga Vimukha Iha Samsmaranti. Even if they are very great Maharshis, if they are not interested in listening to your divine stories, they will be definitely falling into so many troubles and sufferings. O Srimannarayana, those who have devotion and love towards you, their hearts are pure. That is why Hrutsaroja Ase, you will go and make their hearts as your permanent residence. You will be there with all of your presence in their hearts. O Srimannarayana, even if they are devatas, if they don't have enough devotion, how much ever they worship you, you will not be satisfied with their worship. O Srimannarayana, but those who recognizes that you are there in each and every entity, and those who realizes that whatever the pain is caused to any entity on this earth, and thinking that definitely as Antaryami Paramatma will be in pain, Having this kind of realization and showing compassion towards all the entities, they are considered as great devotees. And your entire of anugraham, compassion, grace, everything will be showered on such great devotees who shows their concern, their compassion towards every entity on this earth, thinking that Paramatma is there in each and every entity. Ho Srimannarayana Sthiramagu Sarvabhuta Dayache Podagananga Vottuvu Achyuta. Only Sarvabhuta Daya, compassion towards all the entities, realizing that Paramatma is there in all the entities, that makes you shower all of your anugraham. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma praying Srimannarayana. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 8th chapter, 13th sloka. Vomiti ekaksharam Brahma Vyaharan Mam Anusmaran Yah Prayati Tyajan Deham Sayati Paramam Gatim. Omityekaksharam Brahma Vyaharan Mam Anusmaran Yah Prayati Tyajan Deham Sayati Paramam Gatim. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.